Walking in, you are greeted by beautiful sand and finish hardwood floors and a gas fireplace. Main level master bedroom with 2 walk-in closets and spacious tiled bathroom featuring jetted corner tub and sliding glass door shower. Formal dining room with chair rail. Comfortable kitchen features U-shaped cabinet setup, Corian countertops, bar seating, built-in desk and walk-in pantry. Pocket door entry to the laundry with mop sink and folding area. Second bedroom privacy with pocket door closeoff. Huge bonus room upstairs complete with a full bath. An elevator shaft from the basement to the main level is ready for elevator install. New deck. This unit offers almost 1,000 square feet of attic storage space, basement storage of over 1,000 square feet, as well as a garage big enough for 2 cars and the toys, making over 2,500 square feet of pure storage. Convenience of location is unbeatable.